Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's discuss today about the hiring. Currently, Wipro hiring, okay, and it's for the work integrated learning program. Paid path to BTech for diploma candidates. Okay, so let's discuss what all the programs and who can apply and these all things. So, program overview, let's discuss. The School of IT Infrastructure Management is a structured work integrated learning program that combines employment with higher education. Okay, so program type is work integrated learning program, it will be, and degree BTech in Information System. University like government recognized institute of eminence. Okay, duration 4 years, it should be the 4 years of duration, and full-time employment academic learning. A stipend, like you will get the stipend paid throughout the program, and continue full-time role post program based on performance. If your performance will be good, so you will get an opportunity of full-time role in Wipro. Okay, so this program is specifically crafted for diploma holders who want to grow into IT infrastructures and enterprise technology roles. So this is a good opportunity. Okay. So who is eligible for this? So education like diploma in technical disciplines such as computer science, IT, electronics, electrical or related fields. Okay. Academic performance like minimum 60% aggregate across diploma and prior academics is required, and no active backlogs at the time of application. Year of passing like diploma pass out in 2024 or 2025, so they can apply for this. Other requirements like if you have a strong interest in IT infrastructure roles or willingness to commit to a long-term learning and service agreement. Okay, and this program is best suited for candidates who are disciplined, motivated, and ready to balance work and academics. Okay, so required skills, what all skills are required? Like in the technical skills, basic understanding of computers and operating system. Okay, and fundamentals of networking and system concepts. Interest in IT infrastructure, cloud, or enterprise platforms. So this is the technical skills which required. Tools and technology like Windows, Linux basics, networking concept, and introductory cloud or virtualization knowledge. It will be helpful, but it's not mandatory. Okay. Soft skills, clear communication, willingness to learn continuously, time management and adaptability. Okay, and professional attitude in a corporate environment. Okay, at least you should know like how you can manage the time. You know how to adapt in that situation. If you get the more work or if you are not able to find out the solution, so how will you try to learn? You should have at least be eager to learn. This is the soft skills. So Wipro focuses more on learning potential than advanced technical expertise at entry level. Okay, so you should first give your time in learning instead of this technical, and to add the more and more skills in your resume, better to focus on the learning. Role and responsibilities like supporting IT infrastructure and operating projects you have to support, and assisting with system administration, monitoring and support tasks. Okay, learning networking, cloud platforms and enterprise tools through live exposure. Okay, and participating in structured technical and behavioral training sessions. Okay, and collaborating with internal team on global client deliverables. So this is the responsibility. This Hands-on exposure ensure that learning is directly aligned with industry requirements. Okay. The stipend and benefits we can just discuss like stipend structure year first year 15,000 per month and gradual increase up to 23,000 per month by year 4. Okay. And education benefits like fully sponsored BTech degree, no tuition or academic fees owned by the candidate. Okay. Additional benefit like joining bonus, you will get health insurance and standard employee benefits and access to internal learning platforms and certification. You will get the access for this learning platform and certificate. So this is also a very good opportunity. Service segment like a long-term commitment, typically around 60 months post-selection. Okay, this is the agreement. So before applying for this, please go through this all the terms and conditions and the requirements. And then if you are good fit for this opportunity, so please try go and apply for this. Okay. Selection process also we can discuss like first one is the online assessment will be there. Like in the online assessment, we will get the verbal ability, analytical and logical reasoning question, quantitative aptitude, and written communication. Okay, and each section is time bound and designed to assess aptitude rather than rote knowledge. Okay, and the second one will be the voice assessment. In this evaluation of spoken English and clarity of communication. Third step will be the business discussion round. Okay, so in this behavioral assessment, problem solving approach and motivation and program fit. So this will be checked. Okay, final stage, pre-skilling training will be there, offer letter issuance. Then after your offer letter will be issued. So applications are typically processed on a rolling basis. So early submission is recommended. Okay. So that's all for this. So those who are good fit for this opportunity, so please go and apply for this. Next update is from the company is the CloudSEK. Okay, so let's discuss about this company. This basically it's hiring for the backend intern, okay, and paid cybersecurity internship for freshers. Okay, so program overview we can just discuss. Like the SD backend intern role is designed for students and fresh graduates who want hands-on exposure to scalable backend development in a cybersecurity context. Okay. Duration typically 3 months and it may vary based on team and performance. Okay. A stipend like paid internship, a stipend discussed during interview, competitive for freshers. So you will get a stipend also during your internship. Okay, location will be Bangalore. Full-time conversion, like a high performing intern may be considered for future full-time role. If your performance will be good, so you will get an opportunity for the full-time role in this company. Okay. And learning and mentorship, like direct mentorship from experienced backend and security engineers, exposure to production system and structured code reviews. Okay, so this is very, very good opportunity for the backend intern role. Okay, so who can apply for this? So this internship is suitable for candidates who meet the following criteria. Like degree is BTech is required, either BTech, MTech, MCA, MSc in the computer science or IT or a related fields. Okay, branches, computer science, software engineering, information technology or closely related disciplines. It's a requirement. Okay, academic level like pre-final year students can also appear. Okay, can also apply. Final year students and recent graduates, they all are eligible to apply for this opportunity. Okay. And candidates should have a strong interest in backend systems and cybersecurity fundamentals. Okay. Let's discuss about what all the requirements, technical skills is required. So, in the technical skills, proficiency in Node.js or Go. Okay. A strong understanding of data structures and algorithms, and a knowledge of RESTful API design, and the understanding of relational databases and SQL. So this is the technical skill. Okay, so if you have these all skills, so you can apply for this. This is very good opportunity. So please don't miss this opportunity. Okay. Tools and technology like backend frameworks in Node.js or Go, databases such as PostgreSQL or MongoDB, basic understanding of networking and web protocols, okay, and familiarity with cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, or Azure. Any one of them, if you are familiar with the platform, so this is the plus point for you. Okay. And in the soft skills like analytical and problem solving ability, okay, clear communication and collaboration skills, it is mandatory. Okay. And willingness to learn security concepts and new tools, okay, and ownership mindset and attention to detail. Okay. So this is the soft skill. What all with the responsibility for this role? So as an SD backend intern at CloudSEK, you will contribute directly to cybersecurity products used by real customers. Okay. So key responsibilities include like designing, building, and maintaining backend services for digital risk management platforms. So this is the responsibility. Writing clean, efficient, and scalable code using Node.js or Go. Okay. And collaborating with front-end, product, data, and security teams to deliver features end to end. So this is the responsibility. So please go through these all responsibility very carefully, okay? And participating in code reviews, debugging sessions, and performance optimization. And working on system design improvements, scalability challenges, and API documentations. Okay, and learning and applying secure coding practices align with cybersecurity standards. So, this role emphasizes the real engineering ownership rather than academic style assignment. Okay, so this is the plus point. Okay, to apply for this role, you will get the real exposure. Okay, application and the process and timeline. Let's discuss this all. Where to apply? So application are submitted through this. This is the portal official. You can go to this company official career portal, and then directly you can apply from there. Okay. What to prepare? Like a concise resume highlighting backend projects, clear documentation or explanation of Node.js or Go based work. Okay, and academic or personal project demonstrating system design. So this all the bullet points should be highlighted. Like Node.js is the Go based work. It should is the mandatory, so it should be highlighted. Okay, and project is there should be mandatory projects should be mentioned in your resume. Okay, academic or personal projects demonstrating system design or API. And the selection process is HR or screening round. Okay, discussion on background, motivation, and availability. Technical first round in this resume deep dive, back in fundamentals, Golang or Node.js concepts, and SQL basics. So basically, you should have at least knowledge of the basics of the SQLs, and this concept should be clear about the Golang or Node.js. Okay, and the backend fundamentals. And whatever you are mentioning in your resume, please go through this all each and every key points. Okay, because whatever you have mentioned in resume, if the interviewer will ask any question, so you have to give answer in a very clear and crisp way. Like yes, you know, in a very good way and with a confidence, you have to speak. Then it's possible like you will get selected. Okay. Second round will be advanced discussion based on your strength, including system design or optimization. Timeline like applications are reviewed on a rolling basis and early applicants usually receive faster response. So please go and if possible, try to apply as fast as possible. Okay. So that's all for this. So those who are good fit for this opportunity, please go and apply for this. Next update is from Apple Junior SDT 2026 and 8 to 15 LPA full-time roles for freshers. So this is also a very good opportunity from the Apple. So let's discuss program overview. Okay. So the junior software developer in test role. This is the role. Okay. Is a full-time engineering position focused on quality, automation, and system reliability. Okay. Duration will be full-time permanent. Okay. Stipend approx 8 to 15 LPA. And based on experience and interview performance, it will be considered. Okay. Location will be Bangalore and full-time conversion like not applicable, direct full-time role. Okay. Learning and mentorship like on the job mentorship from senior engineers, exposure to enterprise CI/CD pipeline, modern testing frameworks, and Apple internal platform. So this is the learning which you will get here. Okay. So who can apply for this? So Apple is looking for motivated candidates who meet the following criteria like degree, BTech, MTech, MCA, MSc. This is the degree if you have, so you are eligible. Branch, computer science, information technology, or software engineering. Okay, so they can apply and academic level or experience like fresh graduates with a strong project. So those who are fresher, they can also apply and professional with 1 or 2 years of experience in STET, QA or software engineering. So they are also eligible. Okay, this is for both experience and the freshers. So candidates should demonstrate strong fundamentals and a clear interest in software quality and automation. Okay, so please keep this in mind. Required skills like technical skills, strong programming skills in Java and or JavaScript. Okay, solid understanding of data structure and algorithms, knowledge of software testing principles and automation concepts. So this is the technical skill, which is the requirements. Okay, tools like automation frameworks and test tools. Okay, version control systems such as Git, CI/CD concepts and pipelines, and exposure to modern technologies such as generative AI is a plus point. So this all technology you should have idea like how to use these all Git and CI/CD concept, how to create the CI/CD pipelines, and if you have a knowledge of the generative AI, so this is the plus point. Soft skills, attention to detail and ownership mindset. Okay, and logical thinking and debugging ability. Okay, so this is the soft skill. You should have at least the logical thinking and how to debug if you are getting any error in the code. So you should have the ability to debug and find out the error. Clear communication and collaboration skills and willingness to learn and adapt to Apple engineering standards. Okay, so this is the soft skill. Let's discuss here like a role and responsibility. So, as a junior software developer in test at Apple, you will work closely with developers and product teams. Okay, to ensure high quality software delivery. Okay, and key responsibility include like designing, developing, and maintaining automated test frameworks, writing reliable and reusable test code to validate complex systems, collaborating with developers to identify defects early and improve design quality. So, okay, you have to collaborate with the developers so that you can identify the defects early and try to improve design quality. Okay, contributing to CI/CD pipeline to enable continuous testing, participating in code review, test planning, and documentation, supporting scalability, performance, and reliability improvements across platforms. Okay, so this role focuses on real production system, not manual only testing. So application process, let's discuss. Where to apply application are submitted through Apple official career portal. You have to go to the Apple official career portal, and from there you can directly apply. Okay. What to prepare? Like updated resume, highlighting automation and coding experience, clear description of testing frameworks, tools, and project used, and academic or professional projects demonstrating quality engineer. So this should be present in your resume. Selection process like resume shortlisting and then technical interviews covering programming, testing concepts, and problem solving. This will be covered there. Okay, and system design or testing scenario discussion will be there. And last will be the HR discussion focusing on role, fit, and expectations. Okay. Application timeline here also hiring is ongoing for 2026 and early applications improve the chances of interview shortlisting. So those who are good fit for this opportunity, so please go and apply as soon as possible. Okay. So that's all for today. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel for new updates. Okay. So till then, keep learning, okay, and keep applying. So that's all. Thanks for watching.